Hello my dear students, today we are going to study past simple and past continuous. Look at these examples. Past simple. We will start with past simple. First example, John bought a car last week. So John, it is the subject. Bought, it is the past form or the second form of the verb buy. And a car, object. Last week, this is time. So we use past simple for action which happened at a started time in the past. The time is already known. يبقى first, when we know the time, we use past simple. Second, first he made a phone call, then he sent a fax. Made and sent, these are the second form of the verb make, and this is the second form of the verb send. So he first made a phone call, then he sent a fax. So actions which happened immediately after one another, we use past simple. Second, when he was young, he played or he used to play the piano. So we use past habits which are now finished. When we talk about something happened in past, when he was young, what he used to do, he used to play the piano. Time expressions. We use normally past simple with very good, yesterday, timed, then, when, how long ago, last night, last week, last month, and a minute or 2 days or sometimes ago. So time expressions, yesterday, then, when, how long ago, last night or last week or last month. Let's now move to past continuous. Past continuous we use normally with, look at this example, Linda was talking on the phone while she was driving to work. She was walking in the phone while she was driving to work. So actions which was in progress. This is which was in progress. She was driving to work when another interrupted it. Okay. Actions which in progress at a definite time in the past, when actions started and finished. For example, at 1 o'clock they were having lunch out. Here we have specific time or definite time. Look at this example, it's very important. At 1 o'clock yesterday they were having lunch out. This is, we know exactly when she was having her lunch. So we use past continuous when we know exactly when your action happened. For example, yesterday at 6 o'clock, I was watching TV. What were you doing yesterday at 6 o'clock? I was watching TV. So, actions which was in progress when another action interrupted it. Clara was playing football when she fell and sprained her ankle. And please study with me this example. In the first, when we have, this is long action, okay? And this was the interruption for this. So in this case, we use past simple with past continuous. But when we have, for example, in the first example, when we said, Linda was talking on the phone while she was driving a car. Here, there is no interruption. She was driving to work and she was talking on the phone. So when we have two actions, we use both of them in past continuous, and we will explain it later in details. Time expression with past continuous: all the morning, evening, yesterday at 7 o'clock, and normally we use with while and when and as. So time expressions, we use it. Yesterday, specific time. All the morning, I was working. All the morning, all evening, I was cleaning. Okay? And when we use with while and when and as. Notes. While I was watching TV, my mom was cooking. While I was watching TV, the light went out. What is the difference between these two sentences? Very good. Past continuous, past continuous. Here, past continuous, past simple. Okay? Why here I use past continuous and here I use past simple? After a while, I add past continuous. This is normally in both sentences. But the second part of the sentence here, it's past continuous and here past simple. As we said in the class that when there is no interruption, we use past continuous, past continuous. You were watching TV and your mom was cooking. No interrupted at all. No interruption. She didn't interrupt you. In second sentence, while you were watching TV, the light went out. This is interrupted. This is stopped your watching of TV. So I use past simple. Take care of this note. It's very, very important. So in the first example, I use past continuous because no interruption. In the second sentence, I use past continuous, past simple because there is interruption. So past continuous, while and as. Past simple, past continuous, and here while. Normally we use after while past continuous. So when the light went out, I was watching TV. Here I put past continuous, past simple, and then when. I lighted a candle when the light went out. Past simple went. We use normally with when, past simple. My dear students, thank you so much for listening for our grammar, the second part of our grammar, past simple and past continuous.